Guys, it's Dan here and I'm about to show you the official Fiverrpal full technical demo. I'm super excited. So what you're going to see here today is exactly what you will experience when you use Fiverrpal. There'll be no BS. This is exactly what you're going to get. I'm going to show you absolutely everything from the start, from the exact experience you will have as soon as you log in. So with that being said, let me just log in here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create the site, and honestly guys, this is just so easy. Let me show you how it works. This is all you need to do. We just need to give our site a name, so I'm going to call this one Digital Marketing Services. I'm just going to put our subdomain in here, so Marketing Services. So with Fiverrpal, we will host all of your sites for you with unlimited bandwidth, and that's why we just put a subdomain in here so that we can host it for you completely for free. If you want to use your own domain, that's completely fine. We provide full options for you to do that. But I'm just going to go ahead and use the subdomain for now. At this point, you can also add in your own chosen logo if you wish to, but if you don't worry, we have a one that's been created for you. So I'm going to choose the niche. Now all of these niches, they match up to the different service niches that are available on Fiverr. So for this example, I'm just going to use digital marketing. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a website, and if you just wait for this to generate here. Okay, and just like that, you can see that our site has been created. Now before I dive in and just show you the site, I just want to do one little thing. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my account settings and I'm going to enter my Fiverr affiliate ID. So I'm not going to show you in this demo just because, you know, guys, I don't want this demo to go on for forever. I'm not going to show you how the whole process of signing up with Fiverr and getting your affiliate ID. But trust me, it is so simple. It literally just takes a few minutes. You just enter some information. We provide full training on how you do it. And the thing is with Fiverr, they approve everyone regardless. You get instant approval, you get your ID and you stick it in here. So I'm just going to use an example ID here. I'm just going to call it my Fiverr affiliate ID. Now one other thing I want to point out is as well is there's two different affiliate types here. I just wanted to explain what those are. So if you just head over here, this is the Fiverr affiliate site, and you can see there's two different commission plans you can choose from. You can choose this one, which you can earn a flat rate, so that's every sale you earn $15 to $50, or you can choose this one, which is where you get $10 per sale plus a permanent 10% of rev share of any purchases that person makes in the future. So if you recommend a gig to someone, they buy it, and then they buy future gigs, you get 10% of everything they buy in future. So we've got two different options here you can choose, and so you can choose the CPA, which matches up with this one, or you can choose the rev share, which matches up with that one. So we'll just choose the normal CPA one for now, but you have complete options to choose whichever one you want. So the next thing I'll do is we'll jump back and then we'll take a look at the site. So if we have a look at we'll just go home here and then we'll view the site. And remember guys, what have we done so far? We've literally chose a name for our site, chose a subdomain, chose a niche, and wow, look at the site that has been created for us. Look at this, a done for us logo. Remember, we had the option to upload our own. We chose not to. It's been done for us. We've got amazing, great looking backgrounds. We can search for gigs. We've got all of these gigs that have been added. And then we take a look at it. If we scroll down here, you can see we've got multiple different pictures relating to the gig. We've got all the information about the different features, the different prices they can pay. We scroll down, you've got other suggested gigs that are related to it. You can get more information about it. All of them come with reviews, all done for you. Every single bit of information that you could possibly want to know about this recommended gig, and then if you click the continue button, your affiliate link is automatically embedded. So let me just show you. Affiliate link is automatically embedded in here for you. So if anyone comes here and then buys, you get full credit for the sale. Now, as mentioned, your site comes pre-designed for you and looks amazing out of the box. But we also provide a load of different customization features. So if we just pop back into the dashboard here, you can see that we can customize the appearance of your site. So you can see here we've got a number of different custom backgrounds that you can use that are all related to your chosen niche. So each different niche that we provide has got a selection of different backgrounds. You can choose various different theme colors. So perhaps I want a blue theme. Maybe I want to choose, I don't know, let's choose this one instead. We can also upload our own we can just upload our own custom background image if we wish to. We've got loads and loads of different things. You can change what it says on this title, so we can change all what this says, customize it all, customize everything. All these different options all can be customized, different options for colors, loads and loads and loads of different options. Now, as mentioned, all your sites are fully hosted for you on our server using a subdomain if you wish, but you also have the option to add your own custom domain, which you can do here. We can add different domains in here, and we've got full instructions on how you can set that up. We've also got some embed codes that you can use. So this, by just simply copying and pasting these, you can host the full Fiverrpal site on any domain on any server that you want if you wish to do that. So if we just head back to the site here, on top of all of these different gig recommendations that we've done for you on the site, and by the way, just to mention, we spend a long time checking out all of the gigs that we put on the sites. So we fully review them, we make sure they work, we make sure that anyone who buys through your site is going to get a great experience and get the services provided really well. But on top of all these gig recommendations, all of the sites feature their own fully automated blog section as well. So if we just look, you can see that there's loads and loads of posts that are created for you outside the box, with new posts coming in every single day. And if we scroll in here, we can see that all of these feature really, great quality blog content with images, loads of information, all related to your chosen niche that your visitors are just going to absolutely love. And of course, all of it is spun into completely unique content using our powerful inbuilt spinning engine to ensure that your site will rank on Google. Where does all the content come from, you may be asking? Well, you can see here that we have provided default content sources for you. So these are content sources related to your chosen niche. But you can edit these. You can, if you don't like the content that's being provided by default, you can delete them. You can add your own. You can add different ones. How simple is it to add a different one? Well, let me show you. So all we do to find a new content source is we go to Google and we just find a site that we'd like to use as a content source. So for example, our site, in this case, we are in the digital marketing niche. So I'm going to put digital marketing blog, find a blog. This looks like this is a pretty famous one, I think. Neil Patel's quite a famous guy, and his blog would probably be a great place to source content from. So I'm just going to go and copy the URL. All we do is just come back to Fiverrpal, add a new source in, we click paste, click create, and that's it. Simple as that. New content source has been added, and you can add as many different content sources as you want to ensure you get your automated blog section exactly how you want it. Okay, so on top of your automated blog section, we also give you the opportunity to create custom pages. So, for example, many websites might like to have, I don't know, a contact us page or an about us page. You can put anything you want on your pages. In this example, I'm just going to show you, as an example, something where it's about us. I'm not going to type any great amount of text here, but you can see it's a full visual editor. You can add in videos, you can add in images, anything you want. So let me just add this little Fiverrpal face here. About us text. So as you can see, it's just a full visual editor. What you put in here is how it will be displayed, and you've got, of course, loads of options for fonts, everything you'd expect. It's basically just like you would expect for any kind of blog. So we'll click save. And then if we go back to our site here and we have a look, you can see the about page has been created, and yeah, obviously it doesn't look very impressive because I've spent no time creating it, but it gives you everything you need. But not only can you create custom pages, you can even create custom blog posts as well. So if you want to, you can create a custom blog post, again here, a full visual editor, give it a title, anything you want. So it's basically like having your own WordPress, but you don't have to pay for or host. But with all the Fiverrpal automation features, how amazing is that? And of course, if we have a look at these blog posts, we can manually delete any of these that we don't like, or we can go in and edit them. Now, on top of all of that, on top of all of the amazing monetization from Fiverr gig recommendations, on top of the automated blog posts, and on top of the manual pages and manual posts, we also let you add even more income and opportunities to create revenue from your site with advertisements and opt-in forms. So to create opt-in forms and ads, you just click this button, you choose what type of ad you want. So if you wanted a JavaScript ad, if you wanted just a simple image ad, so you could choose your image and the link that it will go to when clicked. We can choose where we want them to be displayed, for example on a particular gig, on a particular page, or on a predefined slot. You can also add opt-in forms in the same way. So I'm just going to paste in some code here, which is a very, very simple opt-in form that is from my autoresponder, which happens to be SendLane. And I'm going to put it in the top of index. So if we just save settings, and then we go and have a look. If we go back to our site here, you can see that our opt-in form has been added in there. But we provide, as I say, many different locations, many abilities to add extra revenue and extra earning opportunities to your site. So I hope you've enjoyed this very, very brief overview of what Fiverrpal can do. I've tried to keep it as short as possible, and trust me, I'm not even scratching the surface of what is possible with this amazing software.